So this is the moment of truth, guys. So let's find out. Please. Yeah, it worked. So be sure to try us out, guys. Super cool. I'm going to see you guys later. Be subscribed to the channel. This is something I've never seen before. How to get Xbox Game Pass for free. New version. Let's get into it. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So go to your phone and just go to the site couponslands.net. So once you're on this site, guys, you will be able to get the Xbox Game Pass for free. So all you got to do is find the code. So as you can see, there are 2 pages to the website. So if you do not see it, guys, I want you on that second page. So as you can see, 12 months. So I'm going to press get code. I'm going to press show code, and it will generate it. There could be a verification thing, but I already did it. So anyway, let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So I'm just going to let it do its thing. All right, so I'm just going to let it and see what happens. So let's see if this works or not. Alright, so I'm just going to wait for it to load. Alright, and as you can see, guys, it's going to say like get full code. So you can see it says I'm not a robot, so I'm just going to press that. So as you can see, it says verifying. So it didn't work, so I'm going to go ahead and try again. So let's see if it goes through this time. There we go, guys, code revealed. So let's enter the code and see if it's real or fake. So as you can see, it says redeem now. So let's go ahead and put it in. Can't guarantee that it works, but we're going to try. So let's see if it is real or not. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this right here, as you can see. So let me just go ahead and put it in. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter that right here, as you guys can see. All right, so let's just go and type this right here, just so you guys can see. All right, so this is the moment of truth, guys. Let's find out if this actually works. All right, so let's see if this is fake or if it is real. There is no telling what will happen. So I'm just going to find out. So yeah, let's see if it actually works or not. So yeah, this is the moment of truth, guys. So let's see. Yeah, that's the same code. So I'm going to enter it and we're going to find out. All right, and no way. Okay, so it says processing, so let's just wait, see if it processes it. So this is the moment of truth, guys. So let's find out. Please. Yeah, it worked. So be sure to try us out, guys. Super cool. I'm going to see you guys later. Be subscribed to the channel. This is actually working, guys, and it's crazy. Peace out.